Welcome everybody, this is iFix Your Device. All I'm showing you today, I've already installed the screen. This is the last step. This is the step everybody seems to get wrong. Okay, so the first thing you want to pay attention to is this cable right here. That's your digitizer. Okay, this thing needs to fold, and you'll see there's fold marks. There's little sections that are strengthened. So when you fold that in there, it's not going to pinch against the plastic frame that's built around the stainless steel. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to set the LCD's connection right above the little snap. So you're going to feel it snap in there. You don't want to press too hard. Once it's in the right spot, it'll go right in, no problem. So again, you want to make sure that cable there is properly folded, and then it will fold again. And then all you have to do at that point is gently lay the screen back in. So I'm going to remove the suction cup. I'm going to take these clothespins, pinch the corners. These are good because they're wood, very gentle on the surface. You put just the right amount of pressure, not too much. I've seen people use big clamps, which can damage the screen, crack it, that kind of thing. So this works really well for making sure that we're not putting any damage to the device. And the last thing I like to do is take a hair dryer and just reheat the adhesive. Hair dryer is good because it won't damage anything. You can leave it on. You can even mount it and put it in a little stand and leave it there for, a few minutes. Forget about it. Talk to a customer. Not going to damage anything. All we're doing is making the adhesive soft so it gets a better contact on the surface. And then these guys here are doing the pressing for us. We'll go ahead and take the heat off, and we'll just let this guy sit. Put it off to the side, and that's it. Just show you it's working. Boom. All done.